Morning, guys. So the weight is 0.1 kilos, as I said yesterday. I think compared to like previous weeks, this is the first time the weight is actually lesser on a Monday compared to Sunday. I might be wrong, but I think that's the case. So if that's the case, that's pretty good, I guess. And it's our push day, so 2400 calories, but yeah. Gonna have breakfast, coffee, same stuff. I'll see you guys at the gym. At the gym now. Another push day. Look at the weather. I don't know if I can get it. It's like still rainy. Horrible. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my warm-ups and then, move on to the exercises. Lateral raises exercise that I've done, the supersets. I've decreased my rest time in between sets, so that was the most difficult. But after that, when I did my dips, I actually did another PR, so kind of goes like both ways basically. Alright, so anyways, I'll see you guys at recap, right? Hey guys, so the first workout of the last week is completed. Today the calories is 2400, it's a push day. The workout itself, it was quite fine, to be honest, considering the fact that, first of all, it was extremely humid, so that affects performance. But other than that, I kind of decreased my rest times in between sets, not by a huge margin, but I still did, and it certainly affected, especially while I was doing lateral raises. I wasn't able to perform as well as previous weeks. I felt like I was weaker, but it was most likely due to the fact that I wasn't able to recover as previous weeks. Because when I moved on to the sixth exercise, dips, I actually managed to do better than last week. So it was still very good overall. And other exercises like weight and everything was fine. Reps were fine, all good basically. So we are going really strong on week 6. Okay, and continue pushing basically as best as we can without actually injuring ourselves. So for this week, if you're actually following this program, I really want to tell you that just because this is the last week, you don't have to go absolute crazy. Okay, do not try to do weird things that you normally wouldn't do. Okay, because if you've been following me in a similar fashion, let's say, in terms of increasing cardio, in terms of decreasing calories and so on, if you've been doing this stuff as I've told you, and you're planning to basically end it on week 6, do not go crazy, okay? So please still continue with a moderate fashion, just like previous weeks. We still push, but we don't go to the points where we are doing extremes that's gonna actually cause more harm than good, okay? Because we don't want to get injured or so on, okay? So there's nothing crazy. You don't have to overdo things either, okay? Just because this is the last week, don't go and just do a bunch of additional exercises and so on, okay? There is no need, there really isn't, there is no need to overdo anything, okay? This is like, when it comes to weight loss, you need to keep in mind that it's always a marathon, okay? You never go sprint mode in weight loss thing, okay? So whether it's 6 weeks, whether it's 6 months, whether it's like 6 days, okay? It doesn't matter. You don't have to go sprint mode, all right? Always take it slow, always take it easy. Do not injure yourself. Do exercises with your best form still, okay? Full motion and all that, all right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be leg day, so we'll see how it goes, all right? Thanks a lot for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and see you guys tomorrow.